Hello everyone, this is Newark Aviation, and today I have an unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the United Boeing 777-200ER and the Continental merger. This one's really cool because it's from 2016, and this one's pretty hard to find, and I found it on eBay for around $80, so that's pretty cool. And then this one is another cool one, the American 737-800 and the logo. So let's start off with the American 737-800. Put the 777 to the side. We'll do that one last. Starting off with the box, we have the Boeing 737-800, and here is the aircraft itself. Here's the American Airlines logo, and the registration is November 306, November Yankee, NG models. And there's the Boeing license down there. On the other side is another picture of the aircraft. And NG's unique box design for all their models that they release. Here's the barcode, I think. And there's the license, and there's their social media right there. Other than that, let's unbox this thing. Alright, here's the card. Comes with it. And yeah, let's open this. This is my first 737 for American. I've been trying to look for one, and I found it. I got this one off of RM Model Store. I think that's what it is. Very cool. Alright, so let's start it up. If this could focus. One moment. Alright, that's a little bit better. So here you have the American title right here. Here's the Wi-Fi box up here. Here's the registration down there. Here's the flag on the tail, American flag on the tail. Here are the engines right here, and there are the logo winglets. Wish this could focus. All right, here we go. The logo right there on the winglet, and then there's the front right here. Very cool. This one is gonna be a really nice addition to the collection. Alright, so let's get let me just move this out of the way real quick. And now let's open up the Gemini Jets 777-200. Alright, here we go, I'm very excited. But first we'll just go off with we'll just do the box quickly. Here's the United tiles, the Boeing 777-200. Here's the aircraft. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Let's fix this. Here we go. Here's the aircraft made for collectors by collectors. This one's a little different than the other ones and the current ones. There's the aircraft. Here, this pamphlet is a little bit older than the ones that they make now, which is really cool. It has some like charts on there. It looks like some charts. That's pretty cool. There's the aircraft in there. Let's look at the back. Again, it's very different. This one is from 2016, made in China. Very cool. Other than that, I'm very excited to open this up, so let's do it. Oh man. When I first started collecting, I've always wanted a 777 for United and the Continental merge. I think it just looks really cool, and when I was a kid, I'd go to the airport for like trips and stuff, and I'd always see the merge colors, and I've always liked the merge colors, which are cool. This is what I basically grew up with, which is cool. Alright, so here we go. Here's the cockpit windows, Star Alliance logo, L1 door, 2, 3, and 4. Here's the United title, and here's the Continental Globe. Registration, oh boy. November 796, Uniform Alpha. And this one was United 777. I don't think this was not a Continental aircraft. I have the engines. I'm not sure if those are Pratt Whitney or GE90s. Anyways, this is a really nice aircraft. Very cool. This will be a great addition to Washington Roosevelt, which will be great. So, yeah, let's put the two aircraft together. Oh, and yeah, the aircraft wheels move. Let me just move it. Yep, it moves. Cool. All right, let me put this down, and I got the 777. Here we go. Alright, and here are the two models that we unboxed today. Very nice, and I just want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like content just like this. And yeah, thanks so much. See ya.